Hi there, it's Shauna from the Shauna Method, and I am here with a daily habit to help you get and stay organized. And in this one is mostly about how to be organized with your time. It's pretty much impossible to organize and use your time well, maximize your productivity, if you don't have any plan at all. And a 3-page ongoing list of things you'd like to get around to is not a plan. So I strongly suggest that every day you start with a list of things to do. And it should be a list of things that you actually have a chance of doing. Not a list that's too big and overwhelms you, but a list of things that, if time allows and things go as you are thinking they will, you should be able to accomplish. If the list looks long, I encourage you to prioritize. Maybe put a star next to the 2, 3, or 4 things that absolutely you must get done today. Look at that list every morning. Make notes as you go through the day. Check things off as you accomplish them. And then reevaluate that list at the end of the day. Anything that didn't get done, maybe that's going to go on tomorrow's list or another day's list. So every day, schedule a list of to-dos that you can definitely do, and then maybe prioritize the top 3 with a star that you must get done today.